but one thing for sure, I know that it will be it will be centered aligned, right? So yeah, this is our HTML. Let's save it. Let's save it. Save as. Okay, let's put it on the desktop so that we can easily find it on the desktop, and then we call it calm.html. Kawade calm. Okay, save. Let's do like this. Where is calm? Calm. That is HTML, right? So we still need to do CSS. So the website will not be having those colors. It will not be. So look at our website. This is our website, HTML with CSS. This is my heading in italic. But if you check this heading, is it in italic? It's not. So what is it that's gonna make it italic? It's called CSS. This is my heading in black color. Yeah, it's in black color because automatically when we type with the color, it has to be black. So I will go and change it from black and make it another color. Let's say my heading in green color. Okay, so if you check, it's still saying this is my heading in green color, but the color is in black, right? This is my first paragraph. It will I don't know why. How did I put this easier? But it has to be centered aligned, and the font I will choose. Let me also line break this so that it can be 2-line sentence, right? Let me do this. The code to break the line when designing a website is called THIER. Okay. There we go. We have got 2 lines, 2 sentences. So now let's go and do the CSS to put all these things. Okay. Now this is our HTML. Now let's open another one for the CSS. Now let's say body. Now be careful when we do CSS, we use different brackets. I don't know the name of these brackets, but we don't use those ones that we have been using. How about maybe we start by changing the background color of our website, since it's in white, right? Let's see. Yeah, it's in white, the background. What if we change this background from white to blue? Let's see how cool it can be. Okay, we'll say background. And I would like you to be careful with the English of CSS. Like the way we write the word color in today's English is different from the way we write color in the CSS. The way we write center is different with the way that CSS you write center. So there are a few things that we need to be careful with them. Okay, let's say blue. Okay, blue. Now let me save my CSS. Save as where are we saving it? Let's save it on the desktop so it can easily find it. Now it's called calm.css, because that one was calm.html. Save. Now if you run the website, it will not do anything, although we say. Do you know why? That's where the lesson of today comes in. Our CSS is not yet linked with our HTML, so we first need to link the CSS and HTML, and we link it inside the head. I said inside the head there are two things that we find: the title and the link. So now this is how we link. We link the CSS and HTML by using link rel assigned to inverted commas style sheet. Now we say the type of our style sheet assigned to inverted commas. It's going to be text /CSS. Text /CSS. And now it's three things that we put in the link. It's link rel and type and href. Assigned to assigned to what is the name of our CSS? It's called calm.css, right? Calm.css. Now let's save and see if then this code here jumped to this side by this line of the code. Okay, refresh. There we go, it did. Now our background color is blue. Now let's start to work with our heading in italic. Okay, CSS. Okay, our H1. Okay, our H1 font style. Font style is in italic. Font style is in italic. Shall we say? Let's see if it's gonna change to italic. There we go. Our heading now is in italic. Now let's add another code. We must see here. We are coming to which one? To italic. We did this heading is in green color. Okay, now we need to change the color for our heading 2. H2. Okay. Our H2 must be the color. And don't say the spelling of color is incorrect. It's correct. That's how they write it. Okay, in green, right? Okay, let's see. Okay. Now our color is in green. Our heading 2 is in green color. Okay, let's continue. I always forget to check here. We are coming to what? Okay, this is my first paragraph. It will be centered aligned with the font that I will remember. Hey, which font will I remember? But P for paragraph. P for paragraph. text align center. Okay, I'm writing the center of this center. Yeah. Let's see and see if it will align our text. Now this is our paragraph. It is aligned to the center. Okay, this is nice. Now, okay, let me get yeah, this is what we call it CSS. It's not a lot compared to HTML. HTML it gets to be more, but CSS it gets to be easier. So HTML is there to design the website and make sure that there's everything needed in it. And then CSS is there to give us the style, the color, the beauty. Yeah, simple as that. My name is Nzedaro Tondwa. Thank you so much for watching my video, and may the Lord bless you. If you've got any question, you will ask me amongst the comments. Da.